Today we're going to install the driver rear tail light. Just going to go ahead and line it up. It's a little latch right there. Latches onto that little retainer clip. Make sure you line that up. And there, everything kind of just sits into place. Give it a nice little tap to secure it down. Alright, we have 4 nuts that go in here from the inside. There's 1, 2, 3 right there, and the 4th one hidden right there. So let's go ahead and put those nuts into place and secure them with a 10mm socket. Alright, let's go ahead and secure these down with the 10mm. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sweet. Now let's go ahead and plug in this pigtail here, just like so. Then we're going to go ahead and put this cover on, just like so. Perfect. Cover's on, everything's together, and we are set. And that is how you install the driver tail light on this 2018 Kia Rio. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.